If you think behavior just happens, think again. There's science behind every action. Welcome to ChapterCast. Today we're diving into Chapter 1 of Miltenberger's Applied Behavior Analysis textbook. We'll explore behavior modification, the science of understanding why we do what we do, and how we can create positive change. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is human behavior? Behavior is anything a person does that can be observed and measured. It includes both overt behaviors, things we can see, like speaking, walking, or writing, and covert behaviors, internal actions like thinking, feeling, or remembering that we can't directly observe. Examples of behavior include a student raising their hand, completing homework, or asking questions in class. So what is behavior modification? It's the field of psychology focused on analyzing and modifying human behavior. Also known as applied behavior analysis, it uses scientific principles to understand and change behavior patterns. Behavior modification has several key characteristics. First, it focuses on current behavior rather than past events. Second, it emphasizes precise measurement of behavior, including frequency, duration, intensity, and latency. The roots of behavior modification trace back to early experimental psychology and the work of researchers like B.F. Skinner. The field emerged from behaviorism and the experimental analysis of behavior, establishing the law of effect. Today, behavior modification is applied across many areas. In education and special education, it helps students with developmental disabilities and autism spectrum disorder learn new skills and reduce problem behaviors. In mental health settings, it addresses behavioral deficits and excesses associated with various psychological conditions. Clinical psychology uses these principles to help people develop healthier behavior patterns. In sports psychology, behavior modification enhances athletic performance through systematic skill development. Coaches use reinforcement schedules and behavior shaping to improve technique and motivation. In business and industry, these principles improve workplace performance and safety behaviors. Self-management applications help individuals monitor and modify their own behaviors for personal goals. Let's review some key terms from Chapter 1. Target behavior, the specific behavior selected for change. Controlling variables, environmental factors that influence behavior. Behavioral deficit refers to not enough of a behavior, while behavioral excess means too much of a behavior. The four dimensions of behavior are frequency, duration, intensity, and latency. This textbook is structured to take you through measurement, basic principles, and procedures for behavior change. From establishing new behaviors to increasing desirable ones and decreasing problematic ones, you'll learn evidence-based techniques. Thanks for joining ChapterCast. Subscribe for more educational content, and remember, understanding behavior is the first step to positive change. See you next time.